Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. د ویډیو کې به مونږ وایو بګنر درس یعنی د کې ټولې جملې هی سره شروع کیږي یعنی هغه او دا ټولې جملې د بګنر سره تړلې دي نو ویډیو تر اخره وګورئ. He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor. هغه زما ګاونډی دی. He is my neighbor. هغه زما ګاونډی دی. همسایه مې دی. He lives here. He lives here. هغه دلته ژوند کوي. He lives here. هغه دلته ژوند کوي یعنی هغه دلته اوسیږي. He said this. He said this. هغه دا خبره وکړه. He said this. هغه دا خبره وکړه. یا موږ ویلی شو هغه وویل. He lied to me. He lied to me. هغه ماته دروغ وویل. He lied to me. هغه ماته دروغ وویل. Who is he? Who is he? هغه څوک دی. Who is he? هغه څوک دی. He is a teacher. هغه استاد دی. He is a teacher. هغه استاد دی. He is working. هغه کار کوي. He is working. هغه کار کوي. He works hard. He works hard. هغه سخت کار کوي. He works hard. هغه سخت کار کوي. He has a car. He has a car. هغه موټر لري. He has a car. هغه موټر لري. He is at shop. He is at shop. هغه په دکان کې دی. هغه په دکان کې دی. He is not here. He is not here. هغه دلته نه دی. He is not here. هغه دلته نه دی. He is eating apple. He is eating apple. هغه مڼه خوري. He is eating apple. هغه مڼه خوري. He is my friend. He is my friend. هغه زما ملګری دی. هغه زما ملګری دی. He is here. He is here. هغه دلته دی. He is happy. He is happy. هغه خوشاله دی. He is happy. هغه خوشاله دی. He is silent. He is silent. هغه خاموش دی. یعنی غلی دی. He is tall. He is tall. هغه لوړ دی یعنی جګ دی. He is tall. هغه لوړ دی. He is at home. هغه په کور کې دی. He is at home. هغه په کور کې دی. He is slim. He is slim. هغه وچ دی. slim دی. He wears glasses. He wears glasses. هغه عینکې اغوندي. He wears glasses. هغه عینکې اغوندي. He was running. He was running. هغه منډې وهلي. هغه منډې وهلي. He has a dog. He has a dog. هغه یو سپی لري. He is sleeping. He is sleeping هغه ویده دی. He is sleeping هغه ویده دی. He is kind. He is kind هغه مهربان دی. kind ویل کېږي مهربان ته. He is kind هغه مهربان دی. دا و هی باره کې جملې. همداسې نور جملو دپاره زموږ چینل سبسکرایب کړئ درسره.